In a world where DNA replication is a daily occurrence, DNA is currently being replicated into two identical DNA molecules.
DNA replication is when the DNA molecule unwinds and the two sides split. Then the new nucleotides are added to each side until two identical sequences result.
There are three types of DNA replications.
Step 1. The double helix has to unwind. The two complementary strands of FNA separate from each other and form Y shapes. Step 2. New nucleotides are added to each side and the new base pairs are formed according to the base pairing rules. Two new double helixes begin to form.
Two identical DNA molecules are formed.
Transcription also occurs in DNA every day.
DNA transcription is the first step in gene expression. It occurs in the nucleus.
Transcription begins when the enzyme RNA polymerase attaches to DNA strand and assembles a new chain of nucleotides to produce a complementary RNA strand. You can think transcription as copying notes from a board DNA to a notebook RNA.
This changes DNA to RNA.
DNA translation is the last thing we'll be talking about today. Translation occurs when the mRNA strand moves out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm.
The cell uses the information from mRNA to